Hello and welcome to Scratch Chemistry. In last video we discussed about the different reaction related to the functional group OH in phenol. In this video we will discuss about the different reaction related to the benzene ring in phenol. Okay, so before starting the series of reactions, let us study one concept, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution. What electrophilic aromatic substitution? Give heading electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, this is one reaction methods through which the reaction undergoes different reaction of benzene in phenol. Okay, so from the name electrophilic aromatic and substitution, electrophilic means in the reaction there must be one electrophile, E plus, for electrophile E plus. Okay, and aromatic ring, the aromatic ring here is benzene in phenol. Okay, so there must be phenol, just write phenol, aromatic ring. And substitution means one group will replace the another group. Okay, write one group GP, one group replace the another group. Okay, this is the whole concept. So in reaction we need electrophile nucleophile. So the phenol or benzene ring in phenol behaves as nucleophile, and electrophile you will get from the reagents, okay, in different reactions. So electrophile nucleophile, then substitution reaction takes place. So do you think phenol undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution? Yes, electrophile aromatic substitution phenol undergoes. Then what is the mechanism? Let us study. This is the structure of phenol. Okay, so if in phenol there is an electrophile generated by the different reagents, okay, we'll study later. So what will happen? I already discussed the resonating structures of phenol, different resonating structures of phenol. Phenol increases the electron density through resonance or charge delocalization process at ortho and para position. Different ortho and para position. This is ortho position, and this is para position, and this is ortho position. Okay, in this three position, phenol ring increases electron density. Okay, or OH group through resonance process increases the electron density at ortho and para positions only, not at meta positions. Okay, meta or ipso positions. So increases electron density means increases the negative formation of negative charge at ortho and para position. That means the negative charge means nucleophile, it creates nucleophile center at ortho and para position, not at meta position. That is why the ortho and para position, okay, the ortho and para position attack to the electrophile to form ortho and para product only, not meta product, remember. Okay, so OH is ortho and para dielectric group in phenol. All of you understand? So let us study, just practice the resonating structures, that is important before doing this. Okay, so this oxygen lone pair gives electron to the aromatic ring through resonance process. Okay, just do the mechanism, and this bond, mark this bond, attack to electrophile. Okay, in the first step what you will get? You will get double bond. Now it double bond as oxygen donates electron, positive charge over oxygen. Then this bond attached to now this electrophile at ortho position. Okay, in the next step what will happen? This step we can say addition of electrophile takes place. Simple language you can write addition of electrophile, addition of electrophile. Okay, this is first step. In the next step what will happen? Now this compound is not stable. Is it stable? Because the aromaticity lost here in this molecule, so it is not stable. In the second step what will happen? Here is one hydrogen present, yes or no? Carbon is tetravalence ba? So this hydrogen again returns to restore aromaticity. What? To restore aromaticity or to stabilize this positive charge over oxygen. Then if this bond moves over to this carbon single bond, this one of the double bond moves, one of the bond moves over to oxygen and makes the oxygen atom neutral. Okay, in this way again the whole compound become stabilized. So now become also aromatic. Then OH at ortho. So this step, second step, you can write transfer of proton to restore aromaticity. What? Transfer of proton to restore aromaticity. Okay, two-step reactions, very easy. So here you can see the hydrogen which is present here before, in this case also the hydrogen at ortho position which present before is now replaced by what? One of the electrophile. That is why one group replaced by another group. That is why it is called as substitution reaction. Okay, there is aromatic ring, there is electrophilic, and there is substitution. Okay, electrophilic aromatic substitution at ortho product. This product known as ortho product, O product you can write. Okay, similarly it gives also para product. Write the mechanism, similar mechanism. Just practice the resonating structures of phenol. Okay, similar electrophile, the oxygen bond moves over to the oxygen non-bonded electron gives to the ring, and this bond moves over to this carbon-carbon single bond to form carbon-carbon double bond, and this bond, mark this bond, now attack to electrophile to get the para product. Okay, see now one bond forms at this position and this bond attacked now electrophile. So at para position electrophile attached, and there is an extra hydrogen, there is 4 carbon tetravalence, and here is as oxygen donates its electron pair, then positive charge over oxygen. Easy. In the next step what will happen? At this step similarly addition of electrophile, this step, first step, similar step, and to restore aromaticity this hydrogen again transferred to the ring, and this bond moves over to here, and this bond moves over to oxygen and makes oxygen atom neutral. So again it forms aromatic stable structure. Okay, very easy. Electrophile here attached, OH. Okay, this is para product we can call para product. At para position electrophile attached na, this is para position, this is para product, PDT. Okay, so substitution of hydrogen at this position, para position, by electrophile. Okay, so now question is, will you get meta product? The answer is no. Okay, and second question is, do you get mixture of ortho and para product? Mixture of ortho and para product? The answer is yes. Okay, okay, so now look at this side. I have one question for you. Between benzene and phenol, which is more reactive? Okay, so benzene more reactive means which undergo better electrophilic aromatic substitution process between benzene and phenol. This is structure of benzene, okay, and this is structure of phenol. What is the basic difference between benzene and phenol? Both are aromatic, but the difference is presence of one extra OH group or OH group in phenol ring. Okay, this is phenol and this is benzene. Okay, and reactivity order is phenol is more reactive than that of benzene. Reactivity right here, you can write reactivity. Okay, so why phenol is more reactive than the benzene? Okay, because of this OH group. Okay, the OH group give electron to the aromatic ring in case of phenol, or it increases the electron density throughout the ring by the process of resonance or charge distribution process. Okay, so that is why the phenol ring become more nucleophilic, more reactive towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, means at certain reaction condition, okay, at certain given reaction condition, okay, where benzene gives monosubstituted product, but in the same case, same reaction condition, phenol give tri-substituted product or di-substituted product, because the reason is because of high reactivity of phenol. Write this point: in a given reaction condition, in a given reaction condition, okay, where benzene gives monosubstituted product, monosubstituted product means either at ortho product or para product it will give monosubstituted product, but at the same case, at the same reaction condition, at the same reaction condition, at the same reaction condition, phenol gives tri or di substituted product, tri substituted product. Okay, so tri substituted product, look at the structure. There is ortho and here is para. Three different position, ortho, para, three different position. The electrophile can attach maximum. Tri substituted phenol can fall. So that is why phenol can give tri or di substituted product, while benzene give monosubstituted product, because benzene is less reactive than that of phenol. Okay, so let us try some reactions. First reaction, right? Halogenation. What? Halogenation reaction. Halogen, all of you know. Here halogens are different halogens: chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so halogens means the electrophile will be any halogen group. Okay, then nucleophile is benzene ring of phenol, then is substitution reaction, addition reaction, then a proton transfer, then it will form some ortho product and para product. So for halogenation reaction, if suppose, see here write another point. Okay, in phenol case we are getting tri-substituted product, but not always we get tri-substituted product, but at certain reaction condition phenol also give monosubstituted product, means controlled reaction. Phenol can also give monosubstituted product, at certain reaction condition, Okay, got it? So halogenation reaction. So if there is benzene and we are giving 3 moles of Br2, how many moles? 3 moles of Br2 in water as a solvent, we will get monosubstituted product because of less reactive. But in the same case, if phenol is there, phenol present there, and phenol same 3 moles of Br2 and water, 3 moles of Br2 and water as a solvent, you will get tri-substituted product because of high reactivity of phenol. OH tri-substituted at which position? 2 ortho position and 1 para position. Here is an ortho, so Br attached here, now Br attached here and Br attached here. This is tri-substituted product. Okay, this is the difference. So for halogenation reaction, so another control reaction of phenol to get monosubstituted product. How? If suppose this side, look at this side. If suppose to phenol, this is phenol, structure of phenol, to phenol, if you will use 3 moles of Br2, okay, but the solvent. In the previous case we are using water, but in this case if you use carbon disulfide CH2, carbon disulfide is a non-polar solvent and water is a polar solvent. So in case of CH2 as a solvent, non-polar solvent, you will get a mono substituted product. What? Mono substituted product, Br here. Or ortho product also you can get para product, mixture of ortho and para product, right? Okay, but mono substitute na Br. Okay, and the reaction mechanism is ditto similar to this. Okay, that is why I asked the electrophilic aromatic substitution, but only electrophile you will replace by bromine ion. So the important steps. Why is the region? You have to know the region, because the polar solvent. Okay, in presence of polar solvent here bromine, okay, bromine molecule will break easily to Br plus and Br minus very easily, but that is why it forms tri-substituted product. But in case of non-polar solvent, if you are using non-polar solvent like CH2 carbon disulfide here, the bromine ion, the bromine molecule will not break very easily to Br plus and Br minus. Here Br plus is a electrophile, we need electrophile. So write some point. Write the phenol reacts with bromine. In your language you can write. Okay, phenol reacts with bromine in presence of polar solvent, will get tri-substituted product or tribromophenol. This is tribromophenol, or you can, if you numbering it as 2 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 6 tribromophenol. In language you can write an exam also. Phenol reacts with what? Bromine molecule in polar solvent. Polar solvent exam bracket re write water. We will get what? 2,4,6 tribromophenol, tri-substituted product na, 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Okay, but if you use CH2 as solvent, but if we use carbon disulfide as a solvent, non-polar, okay, we will get mixture of ortho and para product. We will get mixture of, what is the structure name? 2 bromophenol and 4 bromophenol. 2 bromophenol and 4 bromophenol. Okay, just write in language, in your own language. So next, the important step is electrophilic creation. Here electrophile creation, write one another step. Electrophilic E plus, for electrophile E plus, electrophile creation. We need electrophile, main important step na. Electrophile will be attacked by the benzene ring to form ortho and para product. So how electrophile? Simple, Br. Okay, in the solution Br will break to what? Br plus and Br minus, and this Br plus is a electrophile in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay, this Br plus will be attacked by the phenol ring to produce tri-substituted product or mixture of ortho and para product. Okay, so electrophilic creation step is important. Next is mechanism. The particular same to this mechanism. Okay, just E plus replaced by Br plus, bromine ion plus. So if you replace E plus by bromine ion, Br plus, not Br minus, Br plus, electrophile is Br positive. Okay, then at ortho position we can get ortho product, and at para position also para product. Okay, understood? So you should practice the mechanism again. The more you practice mechanism, like the same, this mechanism just practice by replacing E plus as Br plus. Okay, I repeat, write the mechanism in your note. The more you practice, the more funda will clear. So next, so take a screenshot in your mobile. I will erase the things to write another mechanism, another reaction. This is fast reaction, right? Fast reaction, that is halogenation. Okay, number 1 reaction, halogenation. So okay, the number 2 reaction of phenol is, right, nitration reaction. What? Nitration. Nitration means nitro group. Nitration means it sound like nitro group something. Okay, so write first some of the point. In point, write in nitration process, just write phenol reacts with HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4 or HNO in presence of HNO3. It produces a mixture of ortho and para product, means orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Right? Phenol reacts with HNO3 in presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Okay, HNO3 nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, or HNO3 in presence of HNO3 also, means 2 molecules of HNO3 there, then it will also produce the electrophile. HNO3 nitric acid in presence of HNO3 nitric acid, okay, produces mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Always ortho and paranitrophenol. Okay, so this is the point. Next, write the reaction. What is the reaction then? This is phenol ring to this. You are using, either you can use H2SO4 HNO3 or HNO3 HNO3 nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid. Either you can use HNO3 in presence of sulfuric acid, or you can use HNO3 in presence of HNO3. Okay, concentrated HNO3 you can take, dilute HNO3 you can take also. So HNO3, these are the two. Either you can take this one or this one. Okay, so you will get the electrophile will created from these reagents to form the electrophile is nitronium ion NO2 plus. I will do that one. OH, ortho product, ortho NO2, orthonitrophenol, okay, and paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol. You can write orthonitrophenol and paranitro. For para I am writing P, ortho O, nitrophenol. Okay, this is the reaction. The important step is, what is the important step I have said? The electrophile creation, E plus creation. How electrophile created from the reagents? Here you are using HNO3 in presence of H2SO4 or HNO3 in presence of HNO3. So let's first step HNO3 in presence of H2SO4. So write the structure of H2SO4, sulfuric acid, sulfur double bond O, OH and OH. This is sulfuric acid H2SO4 in presence of HNO3. HNO3 we can write HONO2, okay, HNO3, okay, positive plus charge, plus. Next, the H2SO4 behaves as acid in this reaction and HNO3 as base. Okay, acid will give hydrogen, base will take hydrogen, simple. So the oxygen lone pair over this oxygen of HNO3 take hydrogen and this bond moves to oxygen. Okay, and conjugate base of HSO4 form means right in this structure HSO4 minus. Okay, the conjugate base of H2SO4 and it is stable. And next what we are getting, OH, this oxygen takes the hydrogen, OH another H, OH2, and oxygen as donates its electron to take hydrogen, positive charge over this oxygen, okay, and attached to NO2. In the next step, this molecule, focus on this molecule, okay. the OHH water group releases better living group minus water, and this bond breaks from nitrogen position, then positive charge over nitrogen, NO2 plus forms, and this NO2 plus is what? NO2 plus is electrophile for this reaction. Okay, if this electrophile replaced by here, then you will get ortho and para product. I am writing there ortho and para product. So this is electrophile. Remember, in the exam, if it is asked what is the electrophile in nitration process, the answer is NO2 plus, and name is nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. Okay. So this is electrophile for the reaction. Okay, this step is important. And next after mechanism is similar to this one. Okay, pure ditto similar to this one. Okay, it's not similar, same to this one, you can say. The electrophile just replaced by NO2 plus, nitronium ion. Then NO2 plus will be attached here, ortho product, ortho nitrophenol, and NO2 plus will be attached to this para position to form para nitrophenol. Okay, mechanism is similar, just practice yourself. Okay, next is in the second case. In the first case we created the electrophile. In the second case, how we create the electrophile? Similar mechanism I am writing here. HNO3 in presence of HNO3. So one of the HNO3 will behave as acid, another as base. So write the structure of HNO3 here. N double bond O, HNO3, not double bond O. Nitrogen are positive, this negative, OH. Okay, this is structure of HNO3. And another HNO3 we can write HONO2 as HONO2. Let this behave as base, and this is acid. It will, the oxygen lone pair takes the hydrogen from here, and this bond moves over to oxygen. So here remaining part write as such, O minus, N double bond O, positive charge of nitrogen, and O minus, and focus on this one, this structure. OH takes the hydrogen to form OH2, OH, and oxygen donates its electron, positive charge over oxygen, and attached to NO2. Okay, easy. In the next similar step, water will lose. If minus water will lose, then over nitrogen there is positive charge. NO2 plus, same mechanism. NO2 plus is electrophile, that is nitronium ion electrophile. Also in second case, in the first case, either you can use HNO3 in presence of H2S support, or HNO3 in presence of HNO3 to get the electrophile NO2 plus nitronium ion. So the point which I was saying, okay, two types of HNO3 you can use, concentrated HNO3 and dilute HNO3. What is the difference? If you use the concentrated HNO3, okay, in case of concentrated HNO3 means the number of HNO3 molecule will be high, or the density of HNO3 molecule in the solution or reaction beaker will be high in the case of concentrated HNO3. Okay, so in the surrounding or vicinity of phenol ring, okay, in the surrounding or vicinity of this phenol ring, if in case of concentrated HNO3 will be high, definitely more number of HNO3 are there. So look at the structure. Oh, this is phenol. Okay, in case of concentrated HNO3, concentrated HNO3 means HNO3 molecule mixed with another HNO3 molecule, but it is concentrated, so it will form NO2 plus as electrophile, and more number of NO2 plus in case of concentrated HNO3 will be surrounded to this phenol ring. Okay, that is why in case of concentrated HNO3 you will get tri-substituted product as the concentrate of HNO3, or the concentrate, you can say concentrate of NO2 plus, which will be created from this HNO3 will be high surround, so that is why it will give tri-substituted product. This is ortho, and here di-substituted, and here tri-substituted, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, so in case of concentrated HNO3 we will get tri-substituted what product, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. You can, for remember, you can write concentrated HNO3 means NO2 plus electrophile surrounding to phenol ring will be high, NO2 plus, NO2 plus, NO2 plus, so it will form tri-substituted product. Definitely more number of electrophile in its surrounding present. Why it will not form? Trisubstituted. Okay, but in case of dilute HNO3, okay, in dilute HNO3 means the concentration of HNO3 molecule will be low, and or you can say the number of HNO3 molecule in the solution will be low, and similarly you can say the number of NO2 plus electrophile which will be created from HNO3 will be low. So again surrounding to the phenol ring, the NO2 plus electrophile will be low, so that is why it will form monosubstituted product or mixture of ortho and para product. Okay, but monosubstituted. Reason is concentration as it is dilute HNO3. So right here, okay, this is phenol. If you will use dilute HNO3, okay, in the surrounding we have less number of NO2 plus now. NO2 plus. Okay, less number 2. If in concentrated HNO3 there are 5-6 NO2 plus surrounding this phenol ring, but in dilute HNO3 we have less number, means 2-3 NO2 plus surrounding to phenol ring. So we will get monosubstituted product, either orthonitrophenol or paranitro. This is orthonitrophenol. Okay, this is orthonitrophenol, ortho product, plus paranitrophenol, para product. Sorry, I have no space. This is para product or paranitrophenol. Is it visible? Okay, orthonitrophenol. I repeat, orthonitro mixture of ortho and paranitrophenol in case of dilute HNO3. Okay, but in case of concentrated HNO3 we will get trisubstituted product, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, so take a screenshot or pause the video, write all the mechanisms and about nitration process. Okay, I will be this. Okay, look at number 3 reaction. Number 3 reaction, right? Nitrosation reaction. Okay, so in nitrosation reaction, right point, phenol reacts with, write with me, phenol reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is formula nitrous acid, not nitric, nitrous acid, HONO. What? HONO. Phenol reacts with nitrous acid in presence of HCl, in presence of hydrochloric acid HCl, to form para-nitrosophenol. What? Para-nitrosophenol. Para-nitrosophenol exclusively means it will only form para-nitrosophenol, not orthonitrosophenol. Okay, so the important step, first write the electrophile creation, how electrophile created, electrophile creation step. Okay, so for electrophile the reagents which we are using, that is nitrous acid in presence of HCl. So write the structure of nitrous acid, HON_O and HCl. This is a reversible reaction. Okay, HCl at -0 to 5 degrees Celsius these reactions happen. Okay, so HCl is acid, it will donate its hydrogen, and this oxygen takes the hydrogen from HCl to form HOH, as oxygen donates its electron, positive charge over oxygen. So next N_O, okay, and Cl minus counterpart here, O plus Cl minus. Okay, in the next step what will happen? Similar step, water group releases OH2 plus, water releases, or this bond moves over to oxygen to neutral, minus water loss. Then what will form? The one positive charge now formed at the nitrogen atom, NO plus. Okay, NO plus. This NO plus is what? Nitrosium ion. What? Nitrosium ion. It is electrophile here. This is it is electrophile here. Its name is nitrosium ion. Nitrosium ion. If in exam it is asked what is the electrophile in nitrosation reaction of phenol, you write the answer is nitrosium ion or NO plus. Okay, so this is important step. Next reaction, it gives para product exclusively, not ortho product, because of in ortho there is steric hindrance. If NO group attached to near to the OH group, it is get steric. Okay, so ortho product right, a para product right, phenol, this structure phenol, and electrophile, which you can write here above the arrow, nitrous acid or HCl, or electrophile you can write electrophile. What is electrophile? Which is created from HNO and HCl, NO plus. Okay, okay, I am writing the mechanism. So it will give para product exclusively. This is para position. So para position. This is para nitrosophenol. What? Para nitrosophenol. Para nitrosophenol. So this one I am writing the mechanism because I have more space. Mechanism is similar to this one. Okay, but you have to just replace the electrophile by NO plus. We will get para product. I am doing the mechanism here. I have space in this. So phenol, this is phenol. Okay, and electrophile is NO plus. Mechanism, look at the mechanism, similar mechanism. Okay, this bond moves over to carbon carbon double single bond to form carbon carbon double bond, but next this bond attack to NO. Okay, so it will at para position, NO will not attach now, OH as positive, sorry, this bond now moves over to this carbon carbon bond, so one bond double bond here only. Okay, and oxygen donates electron, positive charge over oxygen, and here electrophile NO attached, and here one hydrogen present also. Okay, similar structure, same structure. Para product, we are getting para, this is para product, similar structure. Okay, next step, hydrogen transfer to the ring, hydrogen bond transfer to the ring to maintain, restore aromaticity and to neutralize this oxygen atom, as positive charge over electronegative element is not stable. Okay, this hydrogen transfer to the ring, bond, this bond moves transfer to the ring, and this bond moves over to here, and this bond moves over to oxygen. In this way, same reaction. Okay, NO, here is OH. Okay, this is para nitrosophenol. Here I have written also already. Similar reaction mechanism, two-step mechanism. So next, this is all about the nitrosation process. Write it down, take a screenshot, or okay, look at the number 4 reaction of phenol. Number 4 reaction is sulfonation reaction. Phenol can also undergo sulfonation reaction. From the name, it sound like sulfuric group some present. So sulfonation reaction, right point, phenol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, H2S support. Okay, or oleum. Okay, OLEUM. Oleum means a sulfur trioxide in H2S support. If you add SO3 molecule to H2S support, the whole compound it will form H2O7, that is oleum. SO3 plus H2S support, you will get what? H2O7. Okay, H2, I repeat again, H2O7, that is oleum. Okay, phenol reacts with concentrated H2S support or oleum. Concentrated H2S support means H2S support in presence of H2S support. Okay, or oleum, SO3 in presence of H2S support. It will give mixture of ortho and para. It will give mixture of, I am writing ortho and paraphenol, ortho and paraphenol sulfonic acid, ortho and paraphenol sulfonic acid. Okay, the important step, that is electrophile creation. Right, second step, E plus creation. So either you can take concentrated H2S support to create the electrophile, or oleum to create the electrophile. Let us take concentrated. If you take concentrated H2S support, means H2S support in the presence of H2S support. So write the structure of H2S support first. H2S support. Okay, OH. This is structure of H2S support in presence of H2S support too. OH, S double bond O, double bond O, OH. Okay. So what will any of the H2SO4 will behave as acid and another as base. Let us this as what, base, and this as acid. Okay, acid will donate hydrogen, base will take the hydrogen, the oxygen lone pair takes the hydrogen, and this bond moves over to oxygen. Here form conjugate base of acid is write this one OH and oxygen over negative, and another part is here OH, H, oxygen now 2 hydrogen and positive charge over oxygen, as oxygen donates its electron to hydrogen, now attached to sulfur double bond O, OH. Okay, so emphasize on this structure. If water group here loss, okay, positive charge over oxygen. Why water loss? Positive charge over oxygen is not stable, it drag the bond electron towards itself. In this way the water group releases minus water, then one positive charge form over this sulfur double bond O, OH double bond O. This structure is the electrophile. Okay, this is the electrophile, and you can write it as SO3H plus. Okay, SO3H over sulfur, there is positive charge, SO3H plus. This is sulfonate ion. In exam it can also ask what is the electrophile in sulfonation reaction. So SO3H plus answer, sulfonate ion. Okay, easy. So in presence of concentrated H2SO4 we got the sulfonate ion as a, or SO3H plus as a electrophile. Similarly, if you will oleum, how it create the electrophile, see here. In case of oleum means SO3 sulfur trioxide in presence of H2SO4. Write the structure of sulfur trioxide first. This structure of sulfur trioxide, sulfur 1 2 3 trioxide to this H2SO4 HOS H2SO4. This is structure of H2SO4. Okay, so here this one of the double bond of sulfur double bond. Okay, one of the bond takes the hydrogen from sulfuric acid, and this bond moves over to oxygen to form conjugate base of acid H2SO4 minus, and it is stable. So here you can see sulfur double bond O, and one oxygen takes the hydrogen OH, and this bond breaks from sulfur, so positive charge over sulfur. This is the electrophile name, similar to this one, both are similar. SO3H plus, this is sulfonium ion E plus, this is the electrophile here. Okay, in the both way, either concentrated H2SO4 or oleum, we are getting the same electrophile SO3H plus. Okay, this step is important. And next is reaction. I have already said in the point. Reaction, write the reaction. Phenol, okay, reacts either by concentrated H2SO4 or in presence of oleum, means H2SO4 in presence of SO3. Okay, or here write or, either you can take concentrated H2SO4 or oleum. Okay, or you can write it as SO3H plus, the electrophile created from these two. Okay, SO3 plus electrophile. So the mechanism is similar to this two. It will give mixture of ortho and para product. Okay, OH in ortho SO3H, orthophenol sulfonic acid, and paraphenol sulfonic acid, OH SO3H. This is orthophenol sulfonic acid, that is paraphenol sulfonic acid. Orthophenol sulfonic mixture of product, sulfonic acid and paraphenol sulfonic acid. Okay, easy. And the mechanism is ditto, same to same. Just replace the electrophile by SO3H plus. Every step, every reaction, just the electrophile you will just replace by that respective electrophile to give ortho and para product. At ortho position SO3H at para position SO3H. Okay, simple. Next, one of the factor right here, important factor, that is important factor right here, temperature effect. What? Temperature effect. What is the effect of temperature in sulfonation reaction? This is important. Okay, so sulfonation, if you set up the reaction at higher temperature, okay, higher temperature you will get para product exclusively, and if you set up the reaction at lower temperature you will get ortho product exclusively. Why the reason? Para product here is thermodynamically stable product, okay, and ortho product is kinetically stable product. Kinetical stable product, which is called how faster, means kinetical means how faster the product form, or ortho product forms faster than para product, but the stable product is para product, which formed at higher temperature at later time. Okay, so write temperature effect. If just write the example, phenol, if at 20 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius is lower temperature, below room temperature. If you set up the reaction at 20 degrees Celsius, you will get ortho product, okay, at lower temperature. This is right here, low temperature. SO3H electrophile, SO3H plus electrophile, SO3H plus. So here we will get ortho product, okay. And at higher temperature, if the same phenol, you set up the reaction at higher temperature 100 degrees Celsius around, okay, 100 degrees Celsius, electrophile is SO3H, okay, you will get para product exclusively, SO3H. This is paraphenol sulfonic acid, okay, and paraphenol sulfonic acid, this is thermodynamically stable product, okay, thermodynamic stable product, because it takes more time, okay, thermodynamically stable product. But ortho product is kinetically stable product, it will form faster, kinetically stable product, okay. So this point is important, temperature effect in sulfonation reaction. So okay, so note it down again, or take a screenshot, same thing, or pause the video, write the mechanism points, okay. Okay, look at the reaction number 5 of phenol, right? In 5, write reaction with BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, reaction with BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, okay. Structure of BDC I will draw later. So BDC, bright point, phenol reacts with BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, okay, in presence of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and followed by acid hydrolysis. What? Acid hydrolysis, okay, followed by acid hydrolysis, we will get para-hydroxyazobenzene. What? Para-hydroxyazobenzene, exclusively. Here so hydroxyazobenzene it will not form, it will only form para-hydroxy, right, para-hydroxyazobenzene exclusively, okay. Reason is ortho, at ortho position electrophile will attach, it will create steric, okay. So write the reaction first. In reaction we are using phenol BDC, benzene diazenyl chloride, structure of BDC is N2Cl, N double triple bond N, positive charge over this nitrogen tetravalence, so positive, and Cl minus. Okay, this is BDC structure, benzene diazenyl chloride. This is phenol. You write this point here. In first point you are using sodium hydroxide, in second point acid hydrolysis, H plus water. Okay, we will get para hydroxy azobenzene. Azo, N double bond N, we call it as azo. So right, so look at the structure of para hydroxy azobenzene. This is N double bond N. Okay, so here OH. Okay, this is para hydroxy azobenzene. This is azo group, N double bond N, azo at para position attached. So para hydroxy azobenzene, para hydroxy azobenzene. Exclusively it will form. It will not form orthohydroxy product because of steric hindrance. If this whole molecule, if you look at this structure here, if orthohydroxy azobenzene it will form, what is the problem? See here, this is ortho position, this group will attach. Now it is para position, this group attached. Okay, to the phenol ring, that para position, this group attached. Okay, if at ortho position same group, it will attach. So it will definitely create steric with this OH group and this N double bond O, this whole structure create steric. Okay, that is why ortho product it will not form, ortho product it will not form. Okay, cross symbol, only para product form. Okay, I am drawing the mechanism now. I have space to write the mechanism, which is better, but it is good. So mechanism, so in presence of sodium hydroxide, okay, this is phenol ring. In presence of sodium hydroxide, what will happen? In presence of base, sodium hydroxide is a base, so base will take this hydrogen to form phenoxide ion, and phenoxide ion is much more reactive than phenol. Why? Now oxygen naked, this is a naked nucleophile type, O minus, oxygen minus now give more faster electron to the ring than phenol. Okay, this is phenoxide ion. Anyways, next step we are using BDC, benzene diazenyl chloride. Write the structure of BDC here, N triple bond N, positive charge to this, and Cl minus here, counterpart. This is benzene diazenyl chloride. Okay, the reaction goes like this. The O minus gives it electron to the ring, and this bond moves over to this carbon carbon single bond to form carbon carbon double bond here, new bond, and this bond. Okay, attached to now this nitrogen, and this bond moves over to this positive charge over nitrogen atom to neutralize it or stabilize it, you can say. Okay, this is a nucleophile type reaction, simple. So in the next step what will happen? So at para, this is para position N group attached. So just write it in this manner. Okay, so this bond now here, sorry, parallel bond, so here double bond O. Okay, and para position attached to, this is para position attached to nitrogen, double bond nitrogen, and here is benzene one. So Cl minus present must be here. In the next step what happen? To restore aromaticity, this hydrogen bond electron moves to the ring, and this and this O minus. Okay, so what it will form? O minus now, this is now this bond moves out to this one. Okay, and there is another bond, and here one new one formed, and it attached to N double bond N and benzene ring one. Okay, so this is structure, and Cl minus present. So now here O minus and Cl minus. Okay, to neutralize the counterpart Cl minus, and here is O minus, it needs one proton to form phenol. So now second step, you will use acid hydrolysis or 5% HCl you can use. Acid hydrolysis, H plus water, the H plus will be taken by the O minus to form OH. So this is OH. Now O minus takes the hydrogen and attached to. Okay, now this anyway you can write bond, but for your suitable I am writing. Okay, and this is para hydroxy azobenzene. Okay, mechanism product same. Okay, para hydroxy azobenzene. Okay, okay, note it down, take a screenshot again or pause the video. Okay, in between I would like to say you something. The purpose or motive of doing this YouTube videos is not only for your study only. I want to make reach my video to the remote area students or poor students or those who are far away from basic educations. Okay, so I need that one only. Okay, you understand? I don't need any subscription or any other things. Just share my video to those students who are belongs to remote area or far away from basic education. It will give me happy only. Okay, for this purpose I am doing all these videos. And okay, so next come to the reaction number 6 of phenol. Reaction with phthalic anhydride. Okay, phthalic anhydride. Okay, right, phenol, 2 moles of phenol. Here we are using 2 moles of phenol reacts with 2 moles of phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4. In presence of concentrated H2SO4, okay, sulfuric acid, to form phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, which indicator? Phenolphthalein indicator. All of you know the indicator, phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, yes, of course you know. So next write the reaction. What is the reaction? So 2 moles of phenol with phthalic anhydride. So phthalic acid structure, all of you know phthalic acid. Look at the structure of phthalic acid first, then phthalic anhydride. Anhydride means what? Loss of water molecule from phthalic acid, it will form phthalic anhydride. So water molecule simple loss, HOH, water group loss here. Okay, and what it will form now? This is phthalic acid, not phthalic anhydride. Phthalic acid. If water group loss, minus water, HOH, water loss here. So it will form structure like the oxygen now attached to this carbonyl. Okay, carbonyl, oxygen. This is structure of phthalic anhydride. Okay, so write phthalic anhydride here. Phthalic anhydride. Okay, so 2 moles of phenol reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of, here I am writing, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So what is the role of concentrated H2SO4? One of the role of concentrated H2SO4 is it is a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means it will lose water from the solution. Okay, so how it will form a phenolphthalein indicator, structure of phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, I need space more, so this space is enough I think. So phenolphthalein indicator, right? This is, let's suppose, OH, and here 2 moles of OH para. Okay, now this is not this one, oxygen. Okay, so this is the structure of phenolphthalein indicator. So write in phenolphthalein indicator. I have a question for you. Look at this side here. So phenolphthalein indicator, you are using an acid base titration. In which pH range the phenolphthalein indicator we will use. Okay, so what is the pH range? pH range, what is the pH range for phenolphthalein indicator? Phenolphthalein indicator for acid base reaction. Okay, acid base reaction, AB reaction. Okay, this is a question for you, write in the comment section. So the main part is mechanism. What is the mechanism of study? So simple mechanism, water will lose only by using constant H2SO4. Okay, mechanism is little lengthy, but in simple mechanism we can study only. This is phenol, another mole of phenol arranged like this. Okay, and here is para hydrogen present, one hydrogen here, and here is also para hydrogen phenol. Okay, and here phthalic anhydride, carbonyl O. Okay, easy. So next, concentrate H2SO4, the dehydrating agent. Okay, it will remove water from the solution. So how water releases? See, here is HH para position, HH from two phenol group, HHO, here from O from phthalic anhydride, HHO water group released from here, HHO water. Okay, H2O minus water loss. Okay, water loss, then whole molecule will combine to form this structure phenolphthalein. Okay, again I am drawing OH, and here is other OH attached to this two bond. Now this para position now attached to this carbon. I am giving asterisk symbol over this carbon. Okay, so this carbon attached, now attached to this carbon oxygen, and this side C double bond O. Okay, and here benzene ring one. Okay, this is the phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, so write phenolphthalein indicator, Okay, I think we cover all the reaction. Number 6 reaction related to benzene ring of phenol. Okay, so note it down, take a screenshot or do something. Okay, thank you, see you in the next class. Stay happy, stay healthy.